Hello everyone, I'm Dory O'Neill, and today I'm excited to share with you the incredible done-for-you email sequence bonuses that you'll receive for free when you join my Master Affiliate Profits team. Whether you enroll as a free or paid member, these bonuses are yours. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights and tips. Segment 1, Done-for-You Email Sequences. As a member of my team, you'll gain access to done-for-you email sequences tailored specifically for Master Affiliate Profits. This includes 3 essential sequences. 1 YouTube viral funnel email sequence, crafted to drive engagement and increase conversions from your leads. 2 exclusive 365 days of motivational emails. These emails are designed to keep newly enrolled MAP members inspired, motivated, and focused on their affiliate marketing journey. Each day, your leads will receive a motivational email centered around Master Affiliate Profits, leading to more success stories and greater profits for you. The 365 days of motivational emails are hosted and delivered by my dedicated email servers, meaning the setup and delivery are completely done for you. The value of these motivational emails is over $900. Segment 2, Online Training and Additional Opportunities. Next, let's talk about our online training sessions. In these sessions, I'll provide done-for-you email sequences designed to create instant secondary revenue opportunities. These optional, 100% free training sessions are ideal for those with existing products, goods, or services. My team and I will guide you through the process of creating effective email sequences to market your existing offerings. Remember, money loves speed. By utilizing these email sequences, you'll save an average of 20 hours or more. The result? You'll be able to earn income faster and easier, allowing you to focus on scaling your affiliate business. I love action takers. Here is my call to action for you. If you're ready to elevate your affiliate marketing journey, enroll in Dory's YouTube viral funnel to discover all the features and benefits that Master Affiliate Profits offers. Simply visit yesshowme.com/map. Do you have questions about creating your channel or how the MAP program works? Leave them in the comments below. I'm here to respond and assist you, and your questions may help others in the community too. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Be sure to explore more content on this channel and visit youtube.com/@Master Affiliate Profits Review for further success tips. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.